Okay. Hello, and welcome to Wonderful Wednesday at Westport. We're a little late in the day. It's been kind of a busy, crazy day today.
It has been a bit nuts today.
It's what?
It's been a little nuts today.
Yeah, it has been, but we wanted to
Good
jump.
nuts.
Good nut, that's right. We wanted to jump on and just do our weekly update of what's going on at Sewing and Vacuum Authority.
Yeah, we have so much going on.
You want to tell them what classes we have coming up?
Well, we have quite a few coming up actually in the rest of May. Kim Fong has a class coming up on the 23rd, and there may be, one spot left?
I think it's full.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, well that's fabulous.
Full with a waiting list.
Yeah.
Yay. I mean, sorry for the waiting list, but we'll do it again. That means we can get her again.
That's right, and it's going to be a great class. It's going to be a fantastic class. And then I've got a beginning quilting class coming up next Wednesday.
That's right. That's a great class, y'all. It goes from soup to nuts, from how to get started to how to finish, and it's 10 to 5, I think, and you actually finish your project during that time.
That's right. So you learn all the techniques for making a quilt, and it doesn't matter where it's 18 inches or 108 inches. The same techniques.
Same techniques. So we encourage you, if you're new to quilting, to join us for that class. Barbara does a great job.
Oh, well, thank you, Linda. And then we want to make sure that you all know about the Power Up Your Side Hustle class with Cindy Hogan, with a brother representative. And she is going to be here, and she's going to be talking about how to set up your own business, how to work the 10 needle, the 6 needle, and the 1 needle persona. And so it's going to be a fabulous class, and she's going to hang around and answer questions for you. If you've got any questions about, if you've been thinking about doing a business, and it doesn't really have to even be a multi-needle machine, it can be on just a regular flatbed machine. So it's going to be a fabulous class, and she is just delightful.
She is. I've known her for years. She used to come to the smocking shop. So we're so excited to have her. She's one of the old guard at Brothers, so not that she's old, but anyway, we're excited to have her. You'll learn how to, all kinds of ideas, where to get your blanks, where to, just the things about what kind of legal stuff you have to have, like a business license and things like that. It goes into all of those sort of things. And if you're in the market or have been considering a 10 needle, a 6 needle, or a 1 needle machine, she's going to do some great demos on those too. So we encourage you to come. It's very inexpensive. It's, I think, $59, 10 to 2, and then she'll stay after and answer any questions that you have. So we really encourage you to come and join us, and you'll be delighted to meet Cindy and enjoy your time with her.
Oh yeah, she is a hoot, and
she is a hoot.
She is so much fun. And you learn so much from her. She's just so knowledgeable. Golly, she's
been doing it for a while.
Yeah. In fact, she's
like some of us.
Yeah. She's written some of the manuals that Brother has on the different machines, the scan and cut, and the different things that.
Yeah, she's a scan and cut pro too.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
For sure.
So if you got any questions about that, she'll be glad to answer those questions too, I'm sure. But she is, she's just a wealth of knowledge and just so much fun to be with. And then we also have a kids camp coming up in July. Now there is one in Clarksville in June. Starting June 10th. And then one in July here at Westport.
Right. Ours is the 15th through the 19th, 10 to 1, and we'll have a snack. They'll make things like pillowcases, tote bags. We haven't really decided for sure what the projects are, but they're always fun, and the kids are have a great time, and they're so encouraged with what they create.
And they learn so much. They do need to have a sewing machine though.
Yes.
And so if your child is interested in sewing and they don't have a sewing machine, we'll be glad to help you out with that too, with a good machine that will be one that they can grow with.
Yeah. Also, our good friend Snippy Jim is coming back to sharpen your scissors and knives. He'll be here at the Sewing and Vacuum Authority on Tuesday, June 25th.
That's
10 to
2.
10 to 2, and then on July 30th, I don't know what day of the week that is.
That's a Tuesday also.
Tuesday also, and he will be at Clarksville from 10 to 2.
That's
so
right.
you can bring anything. He's done my knives, my scissors. I think it's $5 a pair or per item, I guess.
Right, and then if you can't be there that day, you can bring them in advance, leave your money with it, and then he'll sharpen them and you pick them up later whenever you can come back and
so
pick
we
them
encourage
up.
you to do that too. Also wanted to tell you, if you haven't heard yet, Bernina is coming out with a fabulous new top-of-the-line, 13 years in the making, and you have the opportunity to be a charter VIP member of the Bernina 990 Club. You can achieve this by putting down a $1,000 deposit, which is refundable as long as you would cancel your order before it ships. But the people who are the charter members get some special swag gifts, and then they get a weekly update about the new machine, which will be introduced on June 18th. And it will be live streamed, so I encourage you to watch that too. But if you want to be first on the list, the first person in the area, one of the first people in the area to get the new Bernina 990, we encourage you to come in and see us and put your money down. So we're so excited about that. I think it's just going to be, blow us away. We also have some great promotions from Bernina, from Brother, from Janome, Handy Quilter, Viking, and Kangaroo Arrow right now. So if you're in the market for any of those things, come see our salespeople and we'll get all the information to you.
Right. Oh, and also in July, on July the 24th, Kim Fong is going to have another long arm class. So those of you who have long arm machines and enjoy or would like to enjoy doing free motion quilting on your long arm, she's an excellent at it. She's won many awards for her beautiful quilts, and she just does a phenomenal job. So if you're interested in that, that's going to be on.
I think we might have a couple of openings in that.
Okay.
And we have one of Kim's beautiful samples that she was gracious enough to let us use in the store.
I know you would think you did it on a computerized system, but she doesn't even have one.
It blows you away. It's amazing.
She is amazing.
Okay, what else?
Well, we've got many classes already scheduled, so and we're going to be having a computer class coming up later in the year, and so those of you who don't know how to take your designs from the computer and then put it on your machine, we're going to be teaching you how to do all that kind of stuff. We're also going to have a scanning cut class a little bit later in the year as well, so watch on our VACauthority.com calendar and events and click on that, and we'll be having things updated as time goes along.
Yep.
But
that's where you sign up for our classes. Just go to our calendar and events on VACauthority.com and click on the class you're interested in. It's interactive. You can pay for it. If it's a class, a new owner's class, there's no charge. If you bought your machine here, and you can sign up for that as well. So we make it easy for you, and if that's something that you don't feel comfortable doing, just come in the store. We'll get you taken care of.
Right. That's fabulous.
Okay.
Glad to have y'all with us today, and just remember to sew something every day.
That's right.
So we'll see us.
We'll see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.